This tutorial covers a brief introduction to Selenium. We will be covering a small introduction, components of Selenium, then features of Selenium WebDriver, and pros and cons of using WebDriver for automation. Testers play an important role in any software or application being developed, and performing manual test execution is time-consuming and sometimes even monotonous. When most of the testers are turning towards automation, Selenium turns out to be one of the most used tools. It's an open source tool which is used to automate tests for web applications across different browsers and platforms. Let's go through Selenium components. There are 4 components, each having a different role as per different testing needs of any organization. Selenium IDE. Here IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It comes as a Firefox plugin, so no other browser is supported. IDE is a simple record and play tool which is used by testers to record their actions in a particular workflow and then play it to test their functionality. It's the simplest framework when it comes to the Selenium suite and easiest to learn, as a tester doesn't need any programming experience to use it. The tests created with the help of this tool can be exported in a format such that they can be directly used in Selenium RC and WebDriver. It is mostly used for prototyping and cannot be used for advanced test cases. The second one is Selenium RC, where RC stands for Remote Control. It was a flagship testing framework which was used by testers for a very long time to perform web testing using different languages like Java, C#, Python, Ruby, Perl, and PHP. It helps to perform more complex operations on different browsers and platforms. It's much faster than IDE when it comes to test case execution, but requires programming knowledge. The third one is Selenium WebDriver. It's a more stable approach for performing automated testing on UI applications. It is also supporting different languages to perform cross-browser and cross-platform testing. WebDriver sends commands directly to the browser and retrieve results. That's why it's much more fast than RC, and tests created are easier to maintain. The last one is Selenium Grid. It's used to perform parallel execution across different machines and browsers, thus saving an enormous amount of test execution time. As we will be going through WebDriver in these tutorials, let's see what are the different features of WebDriver. It supports testing across different browsers like IE, Chrome, Safari, Opera, Ghostwriter, and Firefox. Different languages like Java, C#, PHP, Ruby, Python, Perl, and JavaScript, and different platforms like iOS, Mac, Android, Windows, and Linux. Like every other software tool, WebDriver also has its own pros and cons. As stated previously, WebDriver provides multi-browser, multi-language, and multi-platform support. It's faster than RC as it directly sends commands to the browser. WebDriver also supports HTML unit. The only drawbacks are that it cannot support new browsers readily, and there are no built-in commands for automatic generation of test results.